Okay, now I'm going to show you a few problems here using the calculator to solve these polynomial problems. Now, the important thing is they have to be multiple choice and they have to have one variable. You can see this first variable is a c. The first thing you need to do is when you put it in the calculator, change all your variables to x. In other words, this says 3c squared, change it to 3x squared because your calculator or Desmos won't recognize a c unless you define it. But it'll recognize an x or a y. Okay, so that's the first thing you do. So let me show you. Now, if you add these up here, you can see 3c squared plus c squared, that's 4c squared. So it's either b or c. Minus 8c and minus 8c is minus 16c, so it's probably c. 5 minus 6, negative 1. So the answer is c, if you did it that way. But if for whatever reason you're having a hard time, then you can put it in the calculator. Now, I've already entered the problem into the calculator using x's instead of c's. And all you have to do is take each answer choice that it gives you and see if it matches the curve in here. So the first answer choice was 3x squared minus 1. Nope, not that one. Okay, let's try the next one. 4x squared plus 11. Okay, it's not even on the chart there. Oh, there it is up there. Okay, let's try the third one. 4x squared minus 16x, which we know this one's the right answer anyway, minus 1. Perfect match, okay? That blue line lies directly on the red line. So when I take the 1 away, there, then I put the 1 in there. There it is, okay? It lies right on there. So the answer is C. Just for good measure, we'll put D in there. It was 2x squared minus 16x minus 1. Okay, and that one doesn't match. So answer choice C matches. That's a good way to check if you're right or if you're having a hard time adding, especially when you put the minus sign here in between the two parentheses and a bunch of minus signs over here. Some students get really confused with all those switches and minus signs. Hey, put it in the calculator. You have the 4 answer choices. See which one matches. Okay, this next problem involving adding and subtracting polynomials also involves multiplying. You can see there. So it's distribution, 3b squared times 4b, 3b squared times 7. So you have to distribute 3 times, then combine all the like terms. It can be a handful, and the answer choice is down here. But what I've done is put this top thing in the calculator, and then we have to put each of these individually in to see which one it is. So let's look at Desmos. I've already put it in here. I've converted the b's to x's, but this is the same equation, except for the x's. Now let's put the answer choices in. So the first one was 14x cubed plus 11x squared minus 12x minus 12. Okay, does it match that curve? You notice this curve, since it's a cubic function, it really kind of goes up, then down and up again. But that blue line doesn't match the red line, so it's not answer choice A. Let's try B. 41x squared plus 12. Nope, not that one. Okay, let's try answer choice C. 14x cubed plus 31 x squared plus 12x plus 12. No, not that one. So let's look at answer choice D. 10x cubed plus 31x squared plus 12. There it is, right on the line. So answer choice D. And that's probably the easiest way to figure this one out. So when you're taking polynomials, whether you're adding, subtracting, or even adding, subtracting with a little bit of multiplying and they're distributing, it doesn't matter what they are. If it's got one variable, and when you put it in Desmos or on your calculator, change it to X, because it won't recognize A's and B's and M's and all that. Change it to X, and then put in the 4 answer choices. You know, you gotta use the information available to you, and those answer choices are information available to you. And with that, you can get the right answer. That's how you do these.